Hello everyone, I am Ms. Saili Jadhav, Department of Civil Engineering. So here we will learn practical number 2. Determine the water content of given soil sample by oven drying method as per IS 2720 part 2. Okay, so in this practical we are learn the water content of soil. Okay, so water content is the physical property of soil is used as to determine the physical properties. Okay, so the behavior of soil changes according to the variation of water content. So therefore the load carrying capacity, that is the strength of soil, may fluctuate as per water content of soil. Okay, the moisture content is important in soil. So here we start. These are the experimental setup. We need container, desiccator and thermostatically controlled oven for perform this practical. Okay, so what is the procedure? First we took a container, okay, and fine grained soil. Okay, the soil sample, okay, so that is your W1. Okay, then after we weight that soil, okay, container of that dry soil, that is your W1. Then the next one is we add some amount of water to moist the soil sample, that is your W2. Okay, and we weight that container. Now next, for 105 to 1 degree 1110 degree Celsius temperature, we put this container in thermostatically controlled oven for 24 hours. Okay, so as to evaporate the water completely. Then next, for after 24 hours we take out this container from oven, okay, and cool it in a desiccator. So after that dried soil container we record W3. Okay, so this is your practical. First procedure, we weight the empty container. Okay, empty container. Then next, adding the soil. Okay, then W2 is the weight of empty container plus wet soil. Wet soil means we are adding some amount of water. First we W1 is empty container. Second one W2 is wet soil. Okay, container plus wet soil. Then the procedure, then in this procedure W3. W3 is weight of empty container plus dry soil. How we get that dry soil? We put this container, moist soil container, in thermostatically controlled oven for temperature 105 to 11 degree Celsius for 24 hours. Okay, so that is why we get dry soil. Okay, after that dried soil we get W3. Okay, then for calculating percentage of water content we using this formula. Okay, W3 means the weight of dry soil minus W2 is the weight of moist soil divided by W3, that is dry soil, oven dried soil, minus W1 empty container, okay, into 100. So we calculate water content in percentage. That is why using this formula, and we get the percentage of water content in soil sample. Okay, this is your observation table for calculating water content. Okay, so here is the container 1 2 3. We take 3 readings for this oven drying method. Okay, so here is the observation. Okay, so the conclusion is water content of soil above 25% is considered as a wet, and therefore soil having water content is less than 25% must be used for optimum functioning. Okay, this is our conclusion for calculating this water content for the oven dried method. Okay, so here we learn the physical property of soil, that is water content. Okay, we calculate the physical properties of soil, water content of soil in using this oven dried method. So the oven dried method is most commonly used for calculating water content in soil sample. Okay, thank you.